Hey everyone, a scene. You're sitting at your desk, laptop open, and a cup of coffee steaming beside you. You've just received a notification on your phone, a transfer from your friend abroad. Hook, have you ever wondered how these international transfers work? Do apps like Monzo use TransferWise to facilitate them? Let's dive in and find out. Understanding Monzo and TransferWise. Monzo, a popular British digital bank, is known for its sleek interface and innovative features. TransferWise, on the other hand, is a global money transfer service that prides itself on its fair exchange rates and low fees. The connection. So, does Monzo use TransferWise? Well, the answer isn't as straightforward as you might think. While Monzo doesn't directly use TransferWise as a back-end provider for all its international transfers, there's a strong connection between the two. Monzo's International Transfer Network. Monzo has a network of partner banks and financial institutions around the world. These partners help Monzo facilitate international transfers, ensuring that your money reaches its destination quickly and securely. TransferWise is a partner. It's possible that TransferWise is one of Monzo's partners for certain international transfers. This means that in some cases, your Monzo transfer might be routed through TransferWise network, taking advantage of their competitive exchange rates and fee structure. Factors affecting transfer routes. The specific route your Monzo transfer takes depends on several factors, including the countries involved. Transfers between certain countries might be more likely to involve TransferWise. The amount of the transfer, larger transfers might be more likely to use TransferWise services. Monzo's partner network. The availability of Monzo's partners in different countries can also influence the transfer route. The benefits of using TransferWise. If your Monzo transfer is routed through TransferWise, you can potentially benefit from fair exchange rates. TransferWise is known for its competitive exchange rates, which can save you money compared to traditional banks. Low fees. TransferWise fees are typically lower than those charged by traditional banks, especially for international transfers. Faster transfers. TransferWise often offers faster transfer speeds compared to traditional banking methods. A note on Monzo's fees. While Monzo might use TransferWise for some international transfers, it's important to note that Monzo itself also charges fees for these transactions. These fees can vary depending on the amount of the transfer and the countries involved. Conclusion. So, does Monzo use TransferWise? The answer is, it depends. While Monzo doesn't exclusively rely on TransferWise, it's possible that your Monzo transfer might be routed through TransferWise network for certain transactions. This can potentially benefit you by providing fair exchange rates, low fees, and faster transfer speeds. Call to action. If you're considering using Monzo for international transfers, it's a good idea to research their specific fees and terms and conditions. You might also want to compare their offerings to other digital banks and money transfer services. Closing statement. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.